back at it again with another cooking video. It's your man's Mackin.
And your boy, man, you know what I'm saying, man?
We finna do something that's probably gonna blow your mind today.
You know what I'm saying, man?
We about to cook something that you probably think is hard to cook, but it's simple, it's easy. It's less than, what, 7 steps you say? Less than 7 steps?
Less than 7.
Go ahead, tell them what it is. Whoa. You know where you might find this at?
The Carnival, Six
Carnival.
Flags,
Six Flags.
or any place of amusement park sort.
And how much they gonna pay for it?
$12 to $15.
What?
That's insane. That's insane.
We finna do it for less than 5. Less than 5. You can make as many as you want.
$5. Less than $5. Less than $5.
See,
Less than $5.
I would show you $5, but I don't carry cash on me, you heard? So, funnel cakes.
It's ridiculous.
Let's get down to the basics. What we gonna need? What's this right here? We gonna need some.
The stuff.
This stuff.
The stuff. Chocolate syrup.
This is optional. Chocolate and strawberry syrup, optional.
Optional.
You definitely gonna need some motherfucking
The must.
ice cream.
The must. The powdered sugar.
You
The must.
heard? And then we forgot to get some whipped cream, but you feel me? Go get you some whipped cream.
Alright.
Hold on, you gonna really leave some money on the floor? Cause I'll fuck around and take that shit.
I was trying to keep going.
Oh, my bad.
Because we was
My
doing
bad.
good. We was doing good, so I was just trying to keep going. Alright, anyway.
What's the genetic makeup of this right here?
The genetic makeup. You know what this is? It's so simple.
Ooh, boy.
It's pancake batter.
What, a little bit of what?
With an egg and some milk. That's all this is. And y'all paying $15 for this. That's ridiculous.
Now, what we did to make this able to get that funnel cake pattern, we poked a hole in the top right here. So when we turn it over like this, boom, we could just pour in that funnel cake pattern. I mean, you could go out and buy you like a squeeze bottle, but we cheap around here. We operate.
Why would we do that if we could just do this?
Exactly, for free. All right, so let's get down to it. We got the grease heated up right here. Right here, it's already hot. Grease test.
Grease test. What you want to do? Make sure your grease hot enough. Get you some water. A little water on the hand. Right there, right?
Let me
Hand
stand
wet.
up here.
Hand wet.
Hello?
Y'all hear that?
Hello? Who's knocking at the window?
Ooh.
There it goes. It's ready right
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
So what we finna do right here is finna take this bottle.
Let them know something.
Simplest shit in the world.
Let 'em
Hold on,
know
let's throw this up a little bit higher right
There
there.
you go.
Then we're gonna take this bottle, turn it upside down just like this.
Notice the pattern that he's doing. You want it in that
Now,
specific.
look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Precision. Excellence. Culinary perfection.
Art. Art. Break down what art stands for.
Alignment. Responsibility. And technique.
Did you see all of that? Alignment. I aligned it with the pot right here.
Aligned it.
My responsibility is to make sure it get cooked all the way.
And make sure y'all know this shit. Knowledge. We making sure y'all know this.
And
That's
then
our responsibility.
Technique is how I'm finna flip it. Y'all
The
gonna
wrist.
see.
The wrist.
I think it's ready to flip right now. Let me check.
Flip it or skip it. Flip
Let me
it. You know what I'm saying? We
Let's
finna
go
get
ahead
to
and get a plate out.
exact texture of a pancake.
That plate right there. We'll just get nice and soft right there.
A staple. A staple for the kitchen. Paper towels. I cannot stress this enough. If you don't have paper towels in your kitchen, you're tripping.
Hello? Say that one more time.
If you do not have paper towels in your kitchen, you're tripping.
Hello?
Fold it up along the creases. Put it on there. Right there.
Time to flip. Let me check one more time if it's ready. It's a little bit longer. It's a little bit longer. Let me see. Yeah, we want a little bit darker. But we getting there. We ready to motherfucking flip. I'm gonna grab the spoon and this spatula. Grab it like this and flip. Let me see. Hold on. Is it ready? Nah, give it a little bit longer. Let me see one more time. Ooh, it's hot as shit in this motherfucker. I almost burnt my hand too.
That's perfect.
Oh, it's broken right
That's
there.
perfect.
It's ready to flip right now.
Godlike. Oh my God. Woo. Woo.
You see that golden brown right there? That
Look
was
at the
difficult to
golden
flip.
and the brown.
But don't worry about that. I still got it over though.
You got it over. That's all you need to do. It don't matter how you get over the hill. Just get over it.
Cut that shit out. Hey, cut that out. That shit. What was he talking about? Cut that shit out. I gotta go.
Oh, it's ready right now. Get that plate, grab that plate.
Funnel cake. Just about done, y'all. Now this is very difficult. Put it on the plate. Paper towel. Soaking up the excess oil. Feel me?
You want just a little bit? Bow. One more.
See, we're not trying to short y'all on this. We're not trying to short y'all at all, feel me? Yeah. Now first thing, while it still got a little bit of heat to it, put a little bit of powdered sugar on there. Don't even dump the bag. The perfect pouring technique, hit the bag on the side. Like that.
Lightly. First of all, we giving you diabetes right now. I just want to let you know. Cause you already got pancake mix. I don't know if that got a little bit of sugar in it, but you feel me? Let's just be safe and say it do. Then you got the ice cream right here. You know that got sugar in it. Then you got this shit over here. Oh, you getting diabetes, boy, especially if you're black. Cause you know how I like to do with the sugar. You see what he doing? He ain't even done yet.
Not even halfway done. Shit. Feel me? There we go. You know, man? You know what I'm saying? Assorted toppings on here. That's all. That's the basis of the funnel cake. We're gonna put some strawberry syrup on here. You know what I'm saying? It's open. Okay, yeah, it's open. Feel me? I'm gonna put that on there. A little bit, just a little bit. See that strawberry syrup right there, like that. A little bit on the side. Like that. That's all you need.
And I'm finna throw this chocolate on there.
Throw that chocolate on there.
Throw that chocolate. Bow.
The other way. You saw how we inversed it? And then put the ice cream on there. Put a little, one scoop. One scoop is all you need. It's a lot of sugar.
No. You gotta realize a lot of our viewers is black. You know they gonna put a whole lot more.
I'm just saying for
But
us.
But hold on. Let's not get diabetes. Okay?
And then
we trying to be healthy around here.
And then we gonna double fist it.
What?
Okay. Don't say that twice.
Yup. Just like that. Close them up.
Hold on. Shut up.
Art.
Look at this shit.
Art.
Hold on. You see this shit right
Put it in
here?
the light. Put it in the light.
You see that shit right here, my dog? Like, what? Now, I said I wasn't gonna make myself one, but the more and more I look at it, that shit look good as fuck, yo. I might make another one, bro. I don't know right now. This shit looking good. Huh, Ben? Taste that shit. Let these niggas know how it's rocking.
You see? Get a little bit of everything on there. We got some of the strawberry. We got some of the chocolate. We got some of the ice cream on there. Pull it off like that.
I mean, I know you.
Dip it on there a little bit.
I'm kind of jealous right now. I ain't even gonna lie. That shit look good as fuck. Let me hit that, bro.
Hit that. Tap that real quick. Good shit. You want some, cameraman? I know you do. That's delicious.
Damn, bro.
All you gotta do. Look at that. It's bomb right here.
Hey, do us one favor though. When you cooking this at your house, at the birthday parties, the little get-togethers, the little smokeouts, cookouts, all the little shit. Feel me? You know, let niggas know where you learned to make this shit at. You feel me? Feel me? Shout us out, share, subscribe, like, comment. Let us know what you think of what we just did. Feel me? Let us know if you want us to make more desserts.